What the heck was that? Hello everyone, it's Florence again. Welcome back into my YouTube channel. So guys, as you guys already know, I'm 39 weeks pregnant and 60 days. So tomorrow is my due date. I'm officially packing my bag today, which I feel like the last video I did last time was like, oh, I'm gonna pack my video the next day when I get home. But I don't know, somehow, because I feel like my due date is not tomorrow. I don't know, but yeah, we are. So tomorrow I have a doctor appointment. It's my due date, so I have to go with my bag packed. So but guys, so I'm gonna show you from labor, delivery, and post baby days as a first time mom to be. So guys, I did a lot of research before I pack my bag, so I'm not gonna just pack a lot of things. I'm just gonna pack things that are really like necessary, things that I need, so it's not gonna be crazy or too much. So if you're the first time mom to be, I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the baby, me, and the dad. I mean, he's gonna do himself. I'm not gonna help him to pack his bag. He's gonna deal with it. I'm just gonna focus on me and the baby. Even though I didn't pack my bag, like I was like, I should have packed my hospital bag before. So for me, I did not, but for the baby, my baby stuff, it's been ready. It has been ready probably about like 2 months. So here we go for the baby. What we have, so we basically have everything for the baby. Here's all the new baby clothes from 0 to 3 months, and all the baby lotion, shampoo, like everything. So here, I've been ready for the baby, but for me, I'm just gonna pack everything today for me. But for the baby, everything has been ready, and the socks, the hat, and everything. So yeah, here's everything for the baby, and also some blankets. Here's the blanket for the baby because it's gonna be cold. Now it's time to pack for the mall. Okay, let me just, so here's the first one, guys. I'm very excited. So I got this from Amazon. It's just like for me and the baby, the match. So I'm just excited about this one because I'm gonna do some cute picture with this. So basically just like my robe and then the baby robe that match. So I'm super excited about this one, like super excited about this one. And yeah, here's the baby blanket in the hospital. Oh, so before we move to the baby, guys, I have something so excited. I have books for the baby. I'm gonna start reading a book literally from the day this baby is gonna born. So my first book I'm gonna read for her is I Love You to the Moon and Back. Yeah, I love you to the moon and back, baby. I love you so much. I love this baby 5 inches in her bed. It's all parents, but I'm so excited. In this one, the wonderful things you will be. So these 2 books, I'm gonna pack them as well with my hospital bag because yeah, I'm gonna take this at the hospital with me so I can start reading for her from the day she's gonna born. And yeah, Okay, so guys, to the mom. So as a first time mom to be and as a personal trainer, I'm gonna bring something from me just to help me for this journey, just support me. I'm gonna share with you guys. So I have this one. This is just the bands that I have been using. This one just gonna help me when I'm just having contraction, help me with exercise and the recovery stuff. So I'm gonna take them to the hospital with me just in case. And also I brought the stability bar. So this one, so I'm also gonna take this with me. So this one is gonna support me like when I'm having contraction with like movement and stuff like that. So as a certified personal trainer, I want to share that. So it's gonna be supportive, and I know the hospital have something to share with you, they can give you to support you, but me personally, I'm just gonna bring this one with me at the hospital. And this, so yeah. So as I show you guys like the pajama I have for the baby and me, I'm just gonna bring like 3 pajamas. So that was the first one. Like this one, this is the first pajama that I'm gonna have on and the baby, and I'm gonna take a cute picture of this one. So I'm very excited. And this is another pajama. So I'm gonna put on this one like when I'm waiting for the delivery because it's very comfy. So yeah, and I'm gonna just have this because I may have to throw it away after that because it's gonna be messy. So yeah, and then I have this cutie pajama. So I get this one from Shein. It's very cute and very cute and comfortable. So I'm gonna have this one after delivery. Like after delivery, I'm gonna have this one. And what else? And also I have a nursing bra. I got this one from Amazon. They look very comfy. So yeah, here, especially for someone who's gonna breastfeeding, I would suggest just getting nursing bra. It's gonna help a lot, and they came with some extension. So if you want your bra, if it's big or small, so you can just add this. So yeah. And then also I got some underwear. I already have a lot of underwear, but I just bought this specifically after like delivery and stuff because they're very, very comfortable. Also I got them from Amazon. I'm gonna need to take out from this bag. Let's see how they look. Yeah, they look so cute. Let me get different colors so you can see. Is this color better? Yeah, here, just like because they feel comfortable, so I had to read review when I was buying the nursing bra and the underwear just to see how comfortable they are. Yeah, they look really good. I got them from Amazon as well. Okay, and I got these, guys, these are so cute, and I got them on really, really good deal. So they look very comfy, and also it's gonna be cold, so I'm gonna be wearing this like at the hospital when I'm not in bed or something. So these are really good. But guys, so I have a sweet friend who got me like a care package. Just like I know friends are gonna have this baby anytime in time, so get a care package for you. And she got me this, guys. So sweet and super thoughtful. So I might change the slides to this one. So yeah, I'm gonna change to this one because I love them, and I can use this one probably later. Yeah, but I really like this one, so I'm gonna use this one instead. And also, all my pajamas have matching with the baby. You know how it is. And of course, ladies, we're gonna need these. So guys, I'm gonna take this off in the package, but this one is a Frida Mom. So for mom who's going to have a baby, postpartum recovery essential kit. So this one have underwear and pads and cleaning stuff you're gonna need. So I'm gonna take why are you laughing? Let me see.
He's just an attack.
Let me see. So he only went with one kid?
Yeah. This poor kid.
Yeah. So do not forget this, guys. So yeah, and as you can see, just kind of, it has underwear, and then also the hospital I'm going to, they're gonna be providing stuff like that, but I just want to bring my own stuff, so yeah. And this one has everything. Basically, this package have everything gonna need to clean you up and stay clean and pads and everything. So I'm just gonna take everything off and put it in my, and here my outfit that I'm gonna have on is just 2 pieces or so. I was looking for something comfortable, price is gonna be cold, so this one looks like it's gonna do the work. Yeah, it's kind of cute. So I got this as my outfit going home. Yeah, I'm about to be done. Yeah, so this is gonna be for me, an outfit for me to go home, and this is gonna be the baby outfit to back home. And it has green in it, and then my outfit is green, so I want both was too much, but I might change the baby outfit to go home. And basically that's pretty much everything. And also I'm gonna have like a handbag. Baby, can you give me my bag? That one. And I'm gonna have like my charger here, snack, and like my document, like my ID and stuff like that. So it's gonna be here. And the hospital bag is ready to go, guys. I'm so excited. And let me know, why did you pack a free hospital bag? Like, did I forget anything? Is anything like, oh, she didn't pack this? Like, what do you think? And let me know how was your hospital bag looks like. And what?
Come over here, look at this.
Babe.
Come over here.
Baby, can you come?
You'll like it better here on this big ass screen.
We can put on the TV.
No, I'm about to leave. This is funny. What? Are you still recording?
Yeah. What do you think about my hospital bag?
I think it's great.
Huh? I didn't pack anything for you.
Come on.
What the heck was that? We are done, guys. Thank you so much again for supportive, for everyone who've been taking them and praying for me. I really do appreciate you guys, and thank you. And I will see you guys pretty soon. Bye bye. I love y'all.